Every week, I keep thinking nothing really happened. But when I look back, I realize life has been teaching me something every single day. So before I rush into another week, I just want to slow down and remember what this one gave me.
When you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for.
I think we are so busy trying to move forward that we rarely stop long enough to notice how much we have already learned.
But some things last forever.
This week reminded me that progress doesn't ask me to become somebody else. It just asks me to keep showing up as myself. I spent hours making a journal. At first, it felt unnecessary. Then I realized maybe I was creating something I needed. I thought rereading will eventually feel less scary. It doesn't. I just respond differently now. Most of my life won't happen on exciting days. It will happen on ordinary Fridays, ordinary Tuesdays, ordinary mornings. This surprised me the most. Somewhere between all the filming, editing, training, and rebuilding, I stopped waiting for life to begin. I think I'm finally living it. Those are the 5 things I'm taking into this week. Maybe next Friday, life will teach me something completely different. Until then, I'll just keep rebuilding.
That there's nothing left. You said you're taking on